Alright guys, I just got this cable kit. It's for the Dashcam hardwire kit. I would get this one. I thought about just trying to make my own, but this one comes with a fuse and it's a lot simpler. I'm using a Voswitch, so I already ran my cables, so I'm just going to connect to that, and then yeah, so I won't actually use the fuse kit with it, but I will use the power. So the red one is going to go to your accessory power, and if you wanted to, this would go to constant power. I'm not going to use this one, so I'm going to go ahead and probably just cut it and tape it off. But I am going to go the red to my power, so that way I can just use a switch, and then the black is going to be your negative. I picked up these things on Amazon. It's an easy way to solder. Just use a heat gun. Alright, moment of truth. Should work with this. Put my key in. So assuming this works, when this flip should do this camera. Let's see. It's not working. You need to connect the red. So the red is accessory and yellow is going to be constant power. To get it to work, I attached it to a switch, so I combined the red and the yellow, and then of course I went with the negative. So now when I put in the key, turn it on, I put it on the same connection as my CB radio down there. So now when I hit this should come up. And you see, there it is. So I turn it off. There you go. So I'm not using it as a full-time 360 watching if I get hit or something like that. I'm solely using it for off-road. So now when I go on the trails, I can just hit a switch, turn it on, it'll record my trails. I come home, I don't have to go through as many different clips to actually get it. So I'm pretty excited. I'm definitely going to use this quite a bit when I'm on the trail. So check it out, like, subscribe. Appreciate it.